Hello guys, in this video we will see how to install current stable version of the Google Chrome web browser on Kali Linux 2025.3 population. Okay, but the process is same on all Kali Linux versions. Okay, first verify whether we have the Google Chrome. So you don't have the Chrome. Now open the default web browser that comes with Kali Linux, that is Firefox. Then go to Google or any search engine, search for download Google Chrome. Then click on Google Chrome web browser, then click on download Chrome, then select the 64-bit .debian package for Debian or Ubuntu type operating systems. Kali is of type Debian, so select .deb package and click on accept and install. Wait a moment, download will be started. See, download started and its size is 112 megabytes. Wait until download completes. Once download completes, then we will install this .debian package. See, download is completed. Now open terminal, go to downloads, ls. Now install this package, sudo dpkg-i, then Google, then press the tab to autofill entire file name, hit enter, provide the password of the sudo user. See, we have successfully installed. Now go to application menu, then search for Google. See, here we have the Google Chrome. Click on it to open. See, here if you want to make Google Chrome as the default browser, you have to keep the checkbox, and if you want to automatically send usage statistics and cross reports to Google, you have to keep the checkbox. It is up to you, whatever you want you can select. Then click on OK. Then don't sign in, it is up to you. Got it? See, you got the Google Chrome web browser. Okay, so we have successfully installed. ls, this file is not recorded anymore, so remove it to clear the space. rm Google, press the tab, ls, we have cleared the space. Okay, so in this video we have seen how to install Google Chrome current stable version on Kali Linux 2025.3 population. Okay, for more tutorials please subscribe my channel. Thank you.